Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.3, Problem 10. This is Section 3.3, Problem 10. It says, compute an exact answer to the problem shown. We have three numbers with decimals to add together, 9.185, 2.63, and 12.806. Now, the way the problem is written, I can't add the numbers up because the decimal points are not in line vertically. So if you just start adding this, the answer is not going to come out right. I have to rewrite the problem so all the decimal points line up vertically. So let's start with the 9.185. The 2.63, that decimal has to line up. So 2.63. Now the decimals are in line vertically. And then the last one, 12.806. Now I can add, and notice the 2.63 doesn't go as far to the right. You can leave that, that's fine. Or if you really like a nice even look, you can fill in that spot with a 0. But the key thing is to make the decimals line up. I let this one drift to the left a little bit, but it's really in line. And then as you find the answer, it's got to stay in line too. So let's start adding the digits. So 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 6 more is 11. 5 plus 0 plus 6 is 11. So I'll write the 1, carry the 1. So 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 and 3 is 12, 12 and 0 is still 12. So for 12, write the 2 from the 12, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. So write the 6, carry the 1. So I'll have 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 2 more is 14, write the 4, carry the 1, and then 1 plus 1 more is 2. So the final answer is 24.621.